Hello everyone, and welcome. Glowing Star. Today, we are going to start with energy, focus, and no distractions. In a moment, you will see an image that we will describe using basic, intermediate, and advanced English. This will help you improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills step by step. At the end of each level, we will learn new vocabulary words and their meanings to expand your English even more. Get ready to learn, practice, and enjoy the process. Let's begin right now. Basic English. A mother is one of the most important people in a boy's life. She loves him before he is born and stays with him as he grows. When he is a baby, she feeds him, holds him, and helps him sleep. She smiles at him every day and makes him feel safe. As the boy becomes a child, his mother teaches him good manners, kindness, and respect. She reads books with him, plays games, and helps him learn new things. She always listens when he talks and gives him good advice. When the boy becomes a teenager, life is not always easy. He has many questions and faces new challenges. His mother encourages him to study, work hard, and believe in himself. She reminds him that mistakes help people grow. As an adult, the son remembers everything his mother taught him. He becomes responsible, honest, and caring because of her love and guidance. Even when he starts his own family, his mother continues to support him with wisdom and kindness. A mother's love never ends. She walks beside her son through every stage of life. Her love gives him strength, hope, confidence, and courage. She is his first teacher, his biggest supporter, and one of his greatest blessings forever. Vocabulary. Mother. Son. Love. Baby. Child. Teenager. Adult. Teach. Help. Respect. Kindness. Advice. Support. Responsible. Honest. Caring. Strength. Courage. Hope. Blessing. Intermediate English. A mother's influence shapes her son's character from the very beginning of his life. From his first smile to his greatest achievements, she is always there to encourage, protect, and inspire him. Her unconditional love creates a strong foundation that helps him face every challenge with confidence. During childhood, she teaches important values such as honesty, responsibility, patience, and compassion. She celebrates his successes and comforts him when he experiences disappointment. Every conversation, every hug, and every lesson becomes part of the person he will become. As he grows into a young man, he learns that life requires effort and perseverance. His mother motivates him to follow his dreams while remaining humble and respectful. She reminds him that true success is measured not only by achievements but also by kindness and integrity. When he reaches adulthood, he understands the sacrifices his mother made throughout the years. Her guidance helped him become a dependable, loving, and confident man. He appreciates the countless moments she spent supporting him during difficult times and celebrating every victory. The bond between a mother and her son is built on trust, respect, and unconditional love. It grows stronger with time and continues throughout life. Her example inspires him to become a caring father, a loyal friend, and a compassionate member of society. Vocabulary. Influence. Character. Achievement. Encourage, protect. Inspire. Foundation. Confidence. Compassion. Patience. Comfort. Disappointment. Perseverance. Humble. Integrity. Sacrifice. Dependable. Appreciate. Bond. Society. Advanced English. The lifelong relationship between a mother and her son represents one of humanity's most profound expressions of love, responsibility, and unwavering commitment. From infancy through adulthood, her presence becomes a guiding force that shapes not only his decisions but also his values, resilience, and emotional intelligence. Throughout every stage of his development, she nurtures his curiosity, encourages independent thinking, and instills principles that remain with him long after childhood has passed. Her wisdom is reflected in the choices he makes, while her compassion teaches him to treat others with dignity, empathy, and respect. Life inevitably presents obstacles, uncertainty, and moments of failure. During these difficult experiences, a devoted mother offers reassurance rather than judgment, helping her son recognize that setbacks often become opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Her unwavering faith empowers him to persevere despite adversity. As maturity replaces youth, the son gradually recognizes the countless sacrifices hidden behind his mother's quiet acts of love. Every sleepless night, every encouraging word, and every silent prayer contributed to the confident, honorable, and compassionate man he eventually became. Although time changes their roles, it never diminishes their connection. The lessons she taught continue to echo throughout his life, influencing future generations. Her legacy is not measured by wealth or recognition but by the strength of the character she helped build and the enduring love she leaves behind. Vocabulary: lifelong, profound, unwavering, commitment, guiding force, resilience, emotional intelligence, nurture, instill, compassion, dignity, reassurance, setback, self-discovery, adversity, maturity, honorable, legacy, enduring, generations. Great job today, glowing star. Today, you made progress, and if you continue practicing like this every day, you will become better and more confident in English step by step. Remember, every small effort brings you closer to your goals. Keep learning, keep improving, and never give up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. I'll see you in the next video, specially made for you. Rocket.